America's sixth-generation fighter, could be everything. While the United States moves towards full scale of the fifth-generation F-35 Lightning stealth fighters, countries like France, Germany, Japan and the United Kingdom are looking to skip ahead to an even more advanced sixth generation. It's too soon to identify for sure what the sixth-generation jets will look like, as none exist yet, and they are only planned to enter service starting in the late 2030s and 2040s. However, there are many technologies likely to feature in the sixth generation of aircraft. Of course, it is the nature of arms races and military-industrial complexes to already looking ahead to the next game in town. Thus the Navy and Air Force are already courting concepts from the defense industry on separate sixth-generation successors to the F-35, called the FAXX and penetrating counter-air respectively. After the frustrations experienced in reconciling the Air Force's and Navy's differing demands for the F-35 and the mere 20% parts commonality that resulted between the two services had little desire to jointly develop the Lightning's successors. The PCA is intended to be a long-range escort fighter that can accompany forthcoming B-21 Raider stealth bombers into enemy airspace and protect them from enemy fighters. The FAXX will likely be an interceptor that can better protect Navy carriers from enemy bombers and missiles. Either way, following the F-35, which emphasized strike capability over air-to-air characteristics, U.S. sixth-generation fighters will likely re-emphasize air superiority. Whether that means renewed emphasis on maneuverability or a return to sustained supersonic flight remains up for debate.